Okay, we're still going to be working some problems here, demonstrating the quotient rule. So we have k of x is equal to x plus 1 over x minus 1. Alright, so we want to find k prime of x is equal to. So we want to find k prime of x. So we take the derivative of the numerator, and the derivative of x plus 1, you should know now, is just 1, right? Derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 is 0. You rewrite the denominator, minus, now write the numerator, times the derivative of the denominator, and derivative of x minus 1 is 1. And that's all over the denominator squared, x minus 1 quantity squared. Now let's go ahead and simplify this down a little bit. So we have k prime of x is equal to, so 1 times x minus 1 is just x minus 1, and then I'm going to distribute this minus through, so this becomes minus x minus 1. And of course, we don't even pay attention to that. And now we want to go ahead and simplify the top. We have an x and then we have a minus x, so those are going to cancel out. We have a minus 1 and a minus 1, so that becomes a minus 2 over x minus 1 squared, and this is k prime of x. And of course we can take this negative here and actually bring it out in front of the fraction bar. Alright, let's look at another one here. We got s of x is equal to 6 times x squared plus 1 quantity squared, and that's going to be all over x squared minus 1. And we want to find s prime of x. So we take the derivative of the numerator first. That means we're going to have to take this 2, bring it out front, and 2 times 6 is 12. Rewriting everything that's in parentheses, subtracting 1 from the power, so that just gives us a 1 there, so we're not going to write anything. And then times the denominator, a minus, okay, now we're going to, I see a mistake I might have made, or something I forgot to do. We need to take the derivative of what's in parentheses here. Okay, so we don't want to forget that. I went ahead and rewrote the bottom right here, but we need to take the derivative of what's inside, and derivative of x squared plus 1 is going to be 2x, because the derivative of x squared is 2x. And I'm going to write that right here. So 2x. I'm going to squeeze it in right there. Alright, minus, I'm going to have to continue this down here. Okay, we're going to rewrite the top. Times, and then the derivative of the denominator, which is 2x. So let's clean this up. Oops, about forgot again. We want to square the bottom. X squared minus 1, right, all quantity squared. Okay, that looks like a mess. That is a mess. We need to clean this up.